What is Sprout's gender? A lot of you may say, well, Sprout's a plant. It's an it, along with the robot. Therefore, it has no gender. However, the thing is, plants can have a gender. It's not a commonly known fact because when we think of genders, we think of girls that have long hair and boys that have short hair, girls that wear dresses and boys that wear suits. But plants can have a gender, and the way you can tell is by the leaves. Sprout may only have one leaf, but that's not actually going to stop us from being able to tell what his gender is. You see, male plants tend to have thicker stalks when it comes to their leaves. However, female plants tend to have skinnier ones. This is what's going to allow us to tell what Sprout's gender is. For example, this would be a male plant, and this would be a female plant. There's obviously many other differences, but this is a good main way to tell the difference between the two genders of a plant. Looking at Sprout's stalk, it's debatable, but I would personally say that it is a little more on the skinnier side, meaning that Sprout is a female. I could end the video right there by saying Sprout is a female, but there is actually one small problem, and that has to do with his ruby prince Sprout skin. I'm really praying that you know that princes are gonna be males, because if you don't, you might be stupid. But the thing that we already discussed is that Sprout is a female. So if the skin was called Ruby Prince Sprout, then what would his gender be? Well, what if I told you that Sprout is actually two different entities combined into one, the plant and the robot. Therefore, he's technically both. The skin says Ruby Prince Sprout because the robot is the prince, not the plant. In fact, the plant gets no visual changes besides a sword instead of a stalk. That's why Sprout is referred to as an it and not a she, because despite being a female in the plant and a male in the robot, it's two different genders, and therefore you can't just pick one, so he's both, and that is what we would call an it. Now, I'm sure Supercell didn't actually intend for it to be like this, and they're watching this video like, yeah, sure, we totally did that on purpose, but it is true. This plant is a female, and the robot is a male. That's why it's called an it. It's both. I hope you had fun watching and learned something new about my favorite brawler, Sprout. I will see you in the next video, probably in a couple months, because I've pretty much abandoned this channel. Make sure to subscribe, I guess. I don't really care. I just made this video, because why not, shits and giggles. So, goodbye.